ada model ganteng.
Iya.
Model ganteng ini dia bule, ya kan? Tahu nggak mantannya siapa?
Lebu.
Di Persik kan?
Bukan.
Oh bukan, siapa?
Eli Sugigi.
Beneran.
Gak mungkin kalau
Akhirnya berkat dari hidung baru dia.
Eli Sugigi kan mantannya ganteng-ganteng.
Top chair berarti
Kalian
operasian
tuh
dia.
yang bener jangan bikin
Dengar ya,
gosip.
tuh
yang
akhirnya
tidak
ditanya sama yang di
tidak,
belakang. Bener apa? Jangan pakai. Gak mungkin.
Ini yang
mungkin
pastinya
Eli
ini
Sugigi
bule.
ganteng-ganteng loh mantannya.
Ini bule ganteng mantan artis ternama di Indonesia.
Mantannya.
Mantan artis ternama. Bedain dong mantan artis ternama.
Eli Sugigi ternama.
Oh enggak, maksudnya dianya nih mantan artis.
Bukan pacar mantannya dia.
Maksudnya dianya ini dulu.
Mantan pacar.
Langsung kita panggil aja ya. Siapa nih yang mau jemput? Siapa yang mau jemput?
Jangan sosok. Jangan sosok.
Hanya jemput aja udah. Jemput lo.
Aja udah.
Kenapa dia yang jemput?
Kenapa?
Soalnya harus bahasa Inggris.
Ya udah gak usah kalau bahasa Inggris.
Tiba-tiba biar mantan dari Aura Kasih ini dia Eric Amaral.
Apa?
Good morning, Eric. How are you? Good? Amazing. Nice to see you again.
Iya, silakan.
Eric Amaral. So originally you come from Brazil, correct?
No, I was in Ireland.
Oh salah, ternyata gue pikir Brazil.
Apa? Iceland?
Irlandia ya.
Oh Ireland. Oh.
So welcome
Bisa
back.
kamu dari mana dapat Irlandia? Dari mana tadi?
Brazil.
Brazil.
Gue Brazil soalnya temennya sahabatnya Buba Alfian. You are a best friend of Buba Alfian, correct? So okay, welcome to our show. Thank you for your present to this beautiful morning.
Bayangin coba ya kalau di pagi-pagi ambiar kita nggak punya Rian Ibram, kebayang nggak?
Iya, kebayang gak sih kita, geng?
Masih mending ada Karen Delano. Kalau dua-duanya nggak ada Rian nggak ada Karen, gua sama Kak Dewi kelihatan
Gimana
bodoh.
dong? Gak ada, malah kita pakai bahasa isyarat ya.
Iya, terpaksa Fitri kita suruh ngomong ya.
So Eric, terima kasih banyak.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih ya. Buat sahabat ambiar kita mau kasih lihat ini dia mantan dari Aura Kasih yang datang ke Indonesia untuk menemui sang anak. So we're about to see a video that about to see your daughter in Indonesia.
Oh.
Itu dia kebersamaan Eric bersama dengan putrinya Arabella. So her
Tapi
name.
you can speak Indonesia?
I rather.
Sedikit.
No, okay.
Ya.
Selamat. I teach you.
Oke, Rian lo bahasa Inggris capcus.
Your daughter, her name is Arabella.
Yes.
Right? How old is she right now?
7.
7. Oh udah 7
Anaknya usia 7 tahun.
Arabella Putri.
Oh, lu jadi penerjemah ya cucunya. Ih bagus lah ambiar ini. Dia ngomong ini tadi bagus best. Kita diem aja.
So when were your last time to?
Kita king dan ratu, jadi harus ada translate.
Ya.
When were your last time to see her?
Terakhir kali
Physically?
berjumpa dia
Yeah.
kapan?
Thursday.
Thursday. Before?
Kamis.
Iya kan.
Before that?
Almost every day.
Almost every day.
Yeah, like-
But I mean, like, how was the longest time you didn't see her?
What do you mean? Like the longest time I did not see her?
Yeah, physically.
Cepetan ditranslate, jangan lama-lama.
Pelan-pelan.
Seberapa lama
Lama
udah gak ketemu
terakhir
sama
nggak ketemu.
anak?
Lu mau nanya apa tadi? Kata lu mau nanya.
Ya, itu maksudnya anak dari pernikahan siapa?
Aura Kasih.
Dengan Aura
Dari
Kasih.
Aura.
Gua udah ngomong tadi.
Okay. So Thursday it was your last time to see her. But before, I mean like you are not.
I was visiting her like almost every day for the past week because like since I wasn't here, so I want to spend more time with her.
Okay.
And then when I arrived the same day, I went there, I wake her up, and then you know like
So every time you visit Indonesia, you always try to see her.
not I try, I go.
You go, oke. Jadi setiap dia datang ke Indonesia, memang dia selalu usahakan dan memang selalu ketemu sama
Sang anak.
anaknya.
Oh berarti dia nggak tinggal di Indonesia.
So where do you stay? Stay in?
Live in Indonesia?
Do you live?
Jakarta Selatan.
Oh di anak Jaksel.
Di mana Jakarta Selatannya?
Iya.
Come on.
Kemal.
That's make easy for me because she live in
di
Cipete.
Cipete.
You know, just by walk.
I have home in Kemang, very big.
You want to come
You already invited me.
Let's
make things easy, bro.
Ya. Just lunch.
Ngapain sih invite dia? Kita aja nggak pernah di-invite.
Ya nanti, maksudnya kalau udah peresmian gitu.
Rumahnya.
So it's easier for you as a father to see and to come to see her, and also to ask her as your daughter to play every time you want to see her. So what kind of activity that usually you go with her?
Random.
Right, such
Every
as?
time is different. So 2 weeks ago when I got here, the weekend she was competing on swimming.
Oh, dia
berat-
dia kemarin ada sempat kompetisi
Oh,
berenang.
swimming, gua taunya swimming doang ada. Renang kan?
You accompany her.
Yeah, I gave her support.
So how do you see your daughter nowadays with her activity and also the competition in swimming?
Well, like it kind of get me because like, for example, swimming, she did not swim last year. She cannot swim.
So it's amazing.
And then I accompany her that process, like learning to swim. We swim together. And then now she's going to competition, you know, like you're a father.
Ya.
So you know what I mean, right?
Jadi tahun lalu tuh sebenarnya ketika dia ketemu sama Arabella, dia ngelihat anaknya ini memang belum bisa atau belum rutin berenang, tapi ternyata setahun kemudian ketika ketemu sama Arabella, dia amazed juga bahwa anaknya ikut kompetisi berenang. So does she has a coach or a swimming coach, or
Yeah,
she
she
just
does.
learn?
She does.
Oh, she
Sometimes
does.
go to her place, but like now that she was competing, she has the guide, the coach there.
Apa itu artinya?
Ya dia berenangnya pakai guide, jadi biar bisa dilatih gitu. Coachnya, ada coachnya kan?
Benar ada
Ku
coach.
tahu deh.
Cuman nggak bisa ngomong aja kita yakin.
Kak, kita tuh paham sebenarnya. Pinter kita tuh.
So Ari, we're about to show you and also to our audience, there's a news about you and your daughter.
Eric Amarol, mantan suami Aura Kasih, jalani co-parenting dengan sang anak lewat sang sus.
Coba biar dia ngertiin English dong lu bacanya.
Eric, you're doing co-parenting with your daughter
Ya,
through
gitu.
through the babysitter, yeah? Is it
Yeah,
true?
mostly yes.
Mostly, yes.
Through the babysitter.
You only
Like
have
now she's on
communication.
vacation to meet her parents, so then I'm texting like the maid.
Okay.
So,
But yeah, we don't stay without talk. We cannot. Like she's very attached to me, and like I do feel that
Iya.
I need to guide her, and also
Kayak ada lagunya tuh tadi dia
I
ngomong.
enjoyed it.
We don't talk anymore.
gimana juga?
We don't talk anymore.
So during this co-parenting, it's always through the babysitter without any communication with the mother, with Aura Kasih. Jadi selama co-parenting ini apakah komunikasinya hanya melalui babysitter tanpa melalui ibunya langsung Aura Kasih?
You always have that.
Yeah.
So what's the reason?
Why not?
make things simple.
Aura Kasih.
Making simple.
Oh, making simple.
Okay.
Do you have a good maybe a talk to her mom?
I won't talk about her.
Okay.
Oh, udah nggak mau ya, udah sebal ya.
So, but it is your decision or her decision, or both of us make an agreement for the co-parenting communication. Just you can go through the babysitter. So which decision? Who's making decision for
Who's
this
making the
co-parenting?
decision?
Kita pengen tahu. Ini sebenarnya kalau komunikasi soal co-parenting yang melakukan komunikasi harus lewat babysitter. Apakah memang keputusan dari
Berdua
Eric,
atau
keputusan berdua atau dari Aura Kasih?
sendiri-sendiri?
Who make the decision about that? About the communication through the babysitter?
I don't know. Like I would say us, me, or her. It's like how I say. It's
How
just to make
different.
things simple. So most of the time she's with the nanny. For me, it's easy to communicate with the nanny because like 24/7 with her. So that's could be my decision. I don't know.
Oh,
Like
dia lebih nyaman sudah sama neninya, ngobrolnya bisa 24 jam.
Karena udah sebel
Eric,
kena, udah nggak
Eric,
cuman udah.
do you live here for good, or you just
What do you mean
visiting
for
here?
good?
I mean, live here in Indonesia, in Jakarta for good now, or you're just visiting?
Since things are good for me, I would stay. So I don't want to limit myself to like, oh yeah, I'm staying for this amount of time.
Okay.
But like now that I'm back, I'm trying to make things up and like fixing, like legally situations. So as long as it's good, I will stay.
Oh,
But
okay.
yeah, I come because of her, because of her daughter.
Okay, so you came only for her.
Ah,
Not only for her, yeah, I need to work. If
Yeah, of course.
I don't work, I cannot stay with her.
So what do you do for living in Jakarta?
Well,
what do you do for work?
I'm an artist, so
Oh.
I've done movies here. I've done TV commercials, mostly photo shoot,
Jadi model
runaway.
kayaknya ya.
So which one is more
Model.
interested for you? It's more interesting for you.
I love my work.
As an actor.
I love my work, but yeah, I do love like
Actor, model,
acting,
or model?
acting movies. That's the
Okay.
thing I enjoy the most. But yeah, all of them I love.
Good luck for you and
For
Eric,
us.
for us. Thank you. And we're about to show you. There's a lot of good comments from we call it in
Netizen.
Indonesia netizen.
Ya.
Meskipun gak bareng, udah bisa ya. Meskipun gak bareng anaknya, tapi tetap mau berusaha buat ketemu anaknya sebagai seorang ayah. Dia ngelakuin yang terbaik. In English,
Ya, nanti aja late.
tapi Eric
Lagi
ini
cepet banget.
No time.
Tapi Eric ini tetap mau ketemu anaknya. Is a good father.
Itu
Lagi
terus.
gua.
Good father.
You're such a good father because you always have.
Take your
Ah,
time.
lu yang panjang lu nggak mau ngomong. Ah, banyak yang komen doang, tapi sebagai ayah dia oke aja kok. Buktinya anaknya still number one.
Yeah. Aha.
Banyak yang positif buat kamu.
Mostly those are good comments about you, saying that you are such a good father to your
Try
daughter.
my best. I try my best.
You try
Yeah.
your best.
Not for me, it's for her.
Ya.
I know in the future
Coba yang terbaik kan.
she can be a better person. She can
Nggak sih?
give her best if I guide her, if I can share a little bit of the experience that I have.
So Eric, what is the most challenging part when you have your daughter here and then you live separated with her? Sometimes you live abroad and maybe you can see in months. Apa kesulitannya atau apa hal yang paling menyulitkan untuk Eric karena memang tidak tinggal bersama dengan putrinya dan dia juga kadang tinggal di luar negeri dan kadang bertemu hanya sesekali. What is the most challenging part for you?
I would say the most challenging part is not when I'm here, it's when I'm not here. That I cannot meet her physically. But there's video call and we always in touch.
Oke. Jadi kalau buat dia ya paling tidak menyenangkannya adalah karena ya sulit ketemu tapi ya untungnya bisa video call. Anytime you want to make a video call, so the nanny will give.
I need to check the time, yeah. Because like sometimes, for example, I told you that I
Harus
was in
dilihat
Ireland.
waktunya.
The time is completely different, and
Yeah.
if you go back like to Brazil, the difference is like 10 hours ahead.
There's
So
a
I
time
need to
gap.
check the time first, if she's awake,
Kalau
if
ada
she's
waktu
not
baru
in
bisa
any
video
activity
call.
or is school. Because she's a really busy kid.
So if you want to make a video call with your daughter, do you need a permission before through
With
the
mama?
nanny or to
With
her
mama.
mom?
Ya.
No, so you just make a video call through the nanny. Oke, itu dia yang tadi sempat kita tanyakan sama Eric bahwa kalau komunikasinya ya udah lancar tinggal video call aja lewat
Neninya.
babysitternya ya.
Nggak perlu harus izin sama mamahnya.
Oke, Sobat Ambiar, kita juga mau kasih lihat ini yang membuat seorang Eric, we're about to see this. There's an article about you that saying that you are comfortable enough in Indonesia.
Ex-suami Aura Kasih Eric Amaral ungkap Indonesia jadi comfort place.
So mention 3 things that you think that Indonesia is comfortable enough for you. The first is
Bella?
sorry.
Bella.
Bel. Oh, karena anaknya. Yang pertama jelas karena anaknya. Oh, it's a good reason. The second one,
The people and the food.
the people and the
Makanannya dan
Emang
makanannya.
endol makanannya.
Okay, so could you mention, explain to us
Emang endol.
your very first impression to see Indonesian people?
For me, it was a shock because of the culture, ethnic. I'm Brazilian, and our difference of culture is a bit like challenge. But I do love challenge. I don't see that as difficult. But since I was living long, I get to know the people. That's when I really feel comfy and well, I do love Indonesia. I do love you guys.
So, jadi memang
Minum kopi guys, kayak kamu Ki.
Oh iya kopi. I have a copy very nice chaptek course.
Where?
I give you later, okay? I give you. You like coffeeholic? You coffeeholic, huh?
It is only coffee.
I'm coffeeholic.
Jadi awalnya dia culture shock buat seorang Eric. So what is a culture shock that you found in Indonesia? The different culture that you realize it's not easy for you to adapt with.
As I say, I love challenge. I don't see anything difficult to be in with, but well, I don't want to talk about religion. So if I would say, it's more that you guys really into religion than where I was born from.
Okay.
So that's the only thing for me. It's good. That's why I say I do love challenge, and I don't see that as
Oke, jadi dia tidak melihat perbedaan itu sebagai satu hal yang menyulitkan karena biasa beradaptasi, tapi kalau dia bilang masyarakat Indonesia begitu religius sekali.
Dan dia juga orangnya baik ya, dia tuh.
Dia tuh orangnya senyum ya,
Baik
vibe
ya.
positif ya. Your face vibe positif.
Iya, iya.
thank you.
You always smile.
Baik gitu maksudnya. Big apa kind ya? Kalau
Say
baik
with
tuh kind.
smile.
Yeah, very
He's very
kind.
kind person ya. Oke, this time to games ya.
Since you are staying here for a while and
Ya gitu aja.
you really know everything about Indonesia, about
Not
the people.
everything.
Yeah,
Not everything.
almost. The people and the foods as well. So
This and that.
we're about to ask you to choose which one you like more. Ya.
Oke.
So
Ini
which one
ada
you
di
like
sini,
more?
mainnya di sini
Boleh
kan?
sekali
Iya,
kita
iya.
kasih lihat. We're about to show you a
Coba,
picture,
Karen.
and you have to choose which one you like better.
Ya.
Oke.
Indonesia favorit. Bakso versus mie ayam.
Oke, kita mau kasih pilihan. Dia mana lebih suka?
You have to choose
ayam.
either one.
Bakso or mie ayam.
Mie ayam.
And also to challenge you, did you know which one bakso and
Ini
also mie ayam?
bakso.
Yeah.
Ini mie ayam.
Okay, which one you choose? Which one you prefer? Bakso or mie ayam? Oh, mie ayam.
Mie ayam.
Oke, mie ayam.
Soalnya agak-agak mirip sama pasta lah ya.
Ya ada mie ayam sama mie aji enak.
Oke, rendang versus sate.
Rendang
Rendang.
versus sate.
Rendang. What do you want? This or this?
Rendang.
Rendang cenaka.
Oke.
Soto versus rawon.
Soto or rawon?
Sotonya ngomongnya kayak itu dong, Laura dong.
Soto.
Soto or rawon.
I'll go with soto.
Rawon.
Sodo.
Rawon.
Sodo.
Martabak manis versus martabak telur.
Money.
Martabak
manis.
Yes.
Same like
apa?
me ya.
Ya manis kayak dia.
Ayam penyet. Ayam penyet versus ayam bakar.
Sweet as you ya.
Ayam bakar.
penyet versus ayam bakar.
Ayam bakar.
Jadi this your food favorite.
Chicken
Nah,
hut.
Which
Ih,
one the
udah
your
semua
most
nih.
favorite
Udah nggak ada
one?
lagi. Oh berarti itu nggak senang dia.
Oke, itu makanan-makanan yang kesukaan. Did you avoid the spicy food?
No, I love spicy.
Oh, you like
I learned to eat
spicy.
spicy here.
Spicy, you like spicy ya?
Dia belum pernah ngerasain pedesnya mulut netizen ya.
Wah, ya.
She's sambal in Indonesia spicy. Very spicy. Good. Good making spicy.
So, Eric,
Let's eat them.
Sambal
good luck for your career in Indonesia.
Yeah.
But lastly, anything you would like to say to your daughter if maybe in the next few years she's about to see this recorded? Anything you want to say to her?
Pasti kegilaan deh.
I love you.
I love you.
Oh.
I love you.
Not much words. If I want to say something, I just go and talk to her straight. So, but yeah, in the future when you see that, I do love you. And see you soon.
See you soon. Thank you, Eric Amara. Kita kembali saat lagi tetap di pagi-pagi.
Wajah kau